Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this lovely install. I will be doing a review on this beautiful blonde OUTRE synthetic wig. So if you guys are interested in this video, go ahead and continue to watch this video. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss them. Now, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we are back with another bob wig video that I am doing today. This is the OUTRE Everywhere lace front wig in the color golden amber. This is what the card looks like. They have a variety of colors here. They have chocolate, cinnamon spice, golden amber, 1B, 2, all of those colors. The color I have mine in is golden amber. So when I purchased this wig, I was trying to go for this particular one here. And I was thinking maybe that was golden amber because I got these wig from the Ebonyline. And so I was hoping it was this color, but it actually was not this color. It is not dark at the roots. You guys will see that when I install it. But so this is supposed to be an everyday wear wig. I'll read you what the card says. So lace front everywhere is the wear everywhere wig and styles that go with everything from day to night, uptown, downtown, or just across town. Stay polished with this ear-to-ear HD lace for a natural look that will keep you looking impeccable everywhere. Okay, so now that y'all have seen the wig specs and the wig details, I actually have to grab her off my mannequin head. This is the color golden amber. It's a nice honey blonde color, I say, but it is blonde at the roots. There is no ombre going on there. But the curls are nice. It did have some shedding, but not a lot of shedding. It could have been because I already cut the lace. If you want a detailed wig install video, I do already have one of those out, so you can go ahead and check that out so you can see how I install my wigs, how I cut my lace, all of that stuff. But so it's a pretty color. I do like it. I'm not sure if it's a, I feel like it's a fall wig. You know, it's giving fall vibes. But let's go ahead and put this on and see what we're working with here. Okay, so I have switched to using brown caps. I used to use beige caps back in the day when I first started doing wig installs. But beige caps tend to be harder to blend. When you are blending your concealer and stuff in with your wig, they tend to be harder to blend. So I like to use a brown cap. I've seen some ladies use black caps which do the same thing, but for me brown is just a little bit more natural. And I can I got some fuzz on it from my little headband, but brown caps are just easier to blend in for me, just my opinion. Okay, so first impressions, I do not like the way it looks on the side. Like, I don't like how that lays, because that means to me you can't pull the hair back. Somebody's gonna see it. So that is a con for me. I do not like that. But it is middle part. It doesn't come with, you know, it's not a lace front. So it's supposed to mimic a lace front, but it's not a lace front. So remember that there is no parting. It is a little thin in the top, so you want to be careful of that too. And it could just be this color. I do want to try this wig again in a darker color, like in a 2 or a 4, just a natural color. Again, like I said, I didn't know this was going to be this bright, but we're going to roll with it anyways. But other than that, like I said, it had a little bit of shedding, but the curls on it are really pretty. It already comes pre-curled. You don't have to do any of that. So that is something that's really nice. So normally, you know, I would take some makeup and put it on the inside, or I would take my lace tint spray. But since this comes with just a little bit apart, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna add some concealer to it and we're gonna keep rolling. Okay, so I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but this is a synthetic wig. So you want to be careful with it as well. You can, I believe you can apply heat to it. I applied heat to it, so I actually went in off camera and I hot combed the top of it to make it lay flatter. And then I, you know, like I said, I went ahead and cut the lace off. I hot combed the top of it, so you can add heat to it, but you just want to be careful because it is synthetic, meaning that the temperature can not work in your favor. I've actually burned one of my synthetic wigs before, so yeah, you wanna take your hot comb and blend it down some, you know, flatten it. You wanna make sure she's flat, because we don't want to walk around with no hump. We want to be, you know. Now this color is giving though, y'all. It's giving. So I'm going to add some concealer to the part just to make it look a little bit more natural. I don't think that you need to use any adhesive with this unit, but if you wanted to, you can. I think it is meant to be like a wig that you can just throw and go. Just throw it on and go. It's a little snug. It's not... I wouldn't say it's big head friendly, so you want to be careful with that. But it does come with adjustable straps in the back, and it comes with 4 combs. So you know, if you want to clip it in, or you don't feel comfortable using adhesive, this is a wig that you don't need adhesive for. And so I have a widow's peak, so I have to pull my wig down a little bit further than, you know, most people would, but you guys can see what's going on there. Okay, so I'm gonna take this wide tooth comb. I'm just gonna comb it out, and I'm gonna tell you guys how I feel about it as I comb it out. So yes, I do believe it is a beginner friendly wig. I do believe that it is it's really nice. It doesn't have a lot of tangling, a lot of shedding, so I do like that. I do love the way the curls fall, especially on this side. Like, it's giving, look at that, like, look. And you know, at first I was a little uncomfortable with the color, but I actually like the color as well. I feel like the color is doing what it's supposed to do as well. Yeah, I think I'm starting to like blonde wigs, I'm just saying. But okay, so let's get into the review. So yes, I think this is a good beginner friendly wig. If I hadn't said that a million times already in this video, yes it is. The lace comes very thin. You just chop it off. You don't have to do any plucking. I didn't do any plucking, any customization, any of that. The only thing I did was flat iron or hot comb the top just to make it lay flatter. If you're a person that doesn't like middle parts, it does come with a middle part, but you can slide it to the side, whichever side you wear your part to, and you can wear it like that. I also like the fact that it's not super long, which makes it great for the summer, because this summer heat is not playing with us and it is hot out there, so that does make it great for the summer. I do love the fact that it has, you know, minimal tangling, so you just comb straight through it and you're good to go. It did shed a little bit, but that's expected with a synthetic wig. The only con that I have is what I told you guys, like, you cannot pull it back because you can see the tracks. I do not like that. I don't like that because I don't always like hair in my face, so I wanted something that's natural that I could just, you know, pull back, which I'm sure you could probably pin it back to a certain extent, but you know, just pulling it back, I don't like that. I don't like the fact that it's a, you know, it's a little thin as far as that goes. I feel like maybe the cap construction could have been different, I'm not sure. But overall, this is a beautiful unit. I mean, the color is like giving. I cannot complain about this color, even though it's not the color that thought I was getting. Golden amber is actually really pretty and it complements the skin really well. But you see what I mean? Like if that separates a little bit, you can kind of see the wig cap right there, and I do not like that. You know, I'm not going to. One thing we do on this channel is we are transparent and we are honest. And I'm not going to have y'all going out here looking crazy. Like, I'm not going to be finessing my girls. I'm not going to finesse my tribe because that look bad on me. Like, we're a team. We friends. And if we friends don't let friends go out looking any kind of way. So, with that being said, you know, be careful with purchasing this wig. Like I said, it is beginner friendly. It is pretty. I love the color. I'm obsessed with the color. I really like the curls. I mean, I like all of that. I just do not like the fact that, you know, like I said, I don't like the construction of the wig itself. But, you know, this wig was, let me pull out the wig details because I want to make sure I give y'all the correct price for it as well. Because this is an affordable wig, and, you know, if you're learning how to, you know, navigate through wigs, I don't say jump out there and get you a $200-300 wig and you don't really know how to install it yet, or you don't really know what you're doing yet. So you want to start with beginner friendly units, and I'm all about beginner friendly. So that's what I do over here. I'm trying to help bring you up. You know, I'm not trying to bring anybody down. I'm not trying to do any of that. I'm trying to help bring you up. So I'm all about beginner friendly over here. So this is the OUTRE synthetic everywhere wig. The everyday 14 is the, or every 14, I think it says everyday 14, but, or everywhere 14 on the site, but it's the every 14. They have a full collection. I think it's like 20 styles maybe, but I wanted something with some curls, something different, so that's why I got the every 14. Now this wig was 30 bucks. I mean $28.99, so you can't complain too much when it's that affordable, you know. And you can always hide the little blemishes or whatever. So I mean, I can't really complain too much because, again, like I said, this is a $30 wig. It's a $30 unit. We can't expect it to give human hair vibes. It's not human hair vibes. It's a synthetic wig, but we can have human hair dupes. We can look like we got some good human hair going on, and, you know, it be synthetic because the synthetic wigs be coming through. Let's just be honest, they be coming through. So with that being said, you know, purchase this at your own discretion. You know, if you feel like and like I said, I feel like with a darker color it probably wouldn't show as bad. In fact, I think I am gonna get this in a darker color, because or if it was an ombre, I feel like it wouldn't show as bad. But the fact that it's just blonde all the way around, it's just golden all the way around, I mean, maybe that's the problem. I'm not sure, but that's my only con. That's the only thing that I didn't like about it. Other than that, I love the way it looks. I love the density of it. I love the curls, the waviness. I love the length. I mean, I feel like it's perfect for the summer. I do. It's not hot, like my head isn't sweating. Some synthetic hair you wear and, you know, gotta. But I don't feel that way with this. I feel like this is, you know, like I said, this is another good summer bob wig. And I stand by that. I do. Like I said, the only con, and I'm reiterating this because I want you guys to understand, the only con is probably just the sides. The sides. If you can keep the sides hidden, you don't have to worry about it. I mean, it's, yeah, you don't have to worry about it. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all have been enjoying my bob wig series. I have been having so much fun trying on these wigs, doing different styles. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos as well. If y'all do, please comment down below. Comment down below what you think about this wig, what you think about this color. You know, leave me your thoughts. If you've tried this unit before, let me know as well what you thought about it. As always, thank you guys for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you guys in my next one.